People say like, come on, don't be anybody around this corner.
Hello.
Oh, shit. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, and for today's video we're going to be doing a POV, my last daytime POV in my beautiful Vauxhall Corsa. So yeah, pretty much here the car is. Literally, I want to say huge thank you to all the support that I've had on this car, from literally it being stock while we were doing the drive with me to where it is now. Fucking look at them headlights, they're beautiful. They are actually currently on hydro dipped carbon fiber mirrors. They look absolutely sensational. Cobra exhaust, we've got the rear diffusers on. It looks like the car is so low right now. Yeah, we've actually got the old number plates on the car right now because obviously it's going to the new owner, so I had to take the private plates off. Let's actually open the boot just in case you haven't ever seen in the boot. Got some masks in here, a couple of cloths. One last look around and we'll hop in and we're gonna drive. The amount of POVs we've done in this Corsa, and this is the last one. That's it. Obviously we could have done so much more to this car. I'm talking, what am I saying? I'm saying bonnet vents. They would have looked fire on the car. Let's turn the car on. Let's turn it on and then boom. There you go, nice purr. Let me know what else they could do. They could do new seats, because these ones are just the stock ones. Basically, there are loads of things that the new owner could do. Oh, fuck it now. Look at that. Right, let's go down here. This is a nice little country drive. And I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me in the intro, because it was so windy outside. Had to do the intro quick. Yeah, we're not going to thrash the car too hard, because I'll go into this in a little bit, but we've actually got an owner sorted for the next car, or potential buyer. And jeez, stock car, there's a little pop and crackle, I like that. I'm really excited for the new car, and what excites me even more is I didn't realise that people were very excited for the new car, but literally my last video, which was I bought a new car, which was like kind of clickbait, but it wasn't actually. I put new car update. People are gassed about it, and I'm absolutely gassed that people are gassed for it. I know I am absolutely milking the fuck out of this new car, but we've got to. For today's video though, I was thinking, instead of me talking a lot, I was going to actually just let you guys just sit along while I'm going around these little bends and stuff, and just let you guys listen to the car, because in these POVs I just chat shit. So, you know what, let me just roll down the windows and you guys can just listen for yourselves a little. Say like, come on, don't be anybody around this corner. Oh shit, hell you dickhead. I've literally just come around that corner at a very safe speed. That guy was thrashing it through there. Bruv, I swing my car into this little like, I'm telling you, on a GoPro it looks a lot further away because it's super view. Bruv, that was close. Imagine we got head-on collision. The hint for today's video is it is a 3-door. Boom, that is your hint. I know it's a shit in, but 1, 2, and then the garage trunk, the boot lid. So it will be a 3-door car. I'm not going to say if it does come in a 5-door variant. It might do, it might not, but it's a car that I really, really like. So it's going to be good because I'm going to have that energy, that fucking like fiery energy, because I literally have been ordering modifications for this car even though I haven't got the car yet. I think that's something that everybody does, to be fair, every car person. It will be coming, I'll be picking it up on the 29th So around that week, I'm saying Wednesday that week, I'm not sure what date that is, 29th, like the 1st of April or something, that's when I will do the reveal. I'll drop the reveal on the car. Oh, my belly went there. Look at how beautiful. Oi, look at that. Oi, I heard the little purr. It's not as good as this though. Look at this. I'll whip it around corners like a bitch. Absolutely whip. Let's absolutely whip it down here. Whip it. Look at a beautiful day. Bruv, you know what? I actually cannot wait for the summer. You know, I used to be one of those guys who hates summer. Like, when's never no summer? Yeah, but I love summer. You know what I mean? It's just when you're working on your car, for example, I cannot wait to be working on the new car, installing exhaust, everything. When it's hot outside. You know what I mean? When you're even driving around town, windows down. I want to know from you guys, right? If you actually are watching till this point, let me fucking know what your next car is. Or if you haven't got a car, what's your first car going to be? Let me know, because I want to know, right? If you don't comment this, you're a bitch. I want everybody to interact with each other. If you think somebody's first car or dream car is a piece of shit, go ask them why they want it, you know? Or go vent your opinion to them. Have a discussion in the comments, come on. Also put down what you guys think my next car is, because I don't think anybody's got it. I think people are going to be surprised when they find out what car it is. I said it's not a rear wheel drive and people are still guessing BMW. I know it's like the newer ones are, but let's be honest, right? Could I fucking afford that? I don't think so. Slowly accelerating. Look, this is what I mean, right? When I say this Corsa has been driven so nicely, this is how, it's a 60 road, and I'm just slowly accelerating from this junction. Obviously, if there was a car behind me, I would not be a knobhead, and I would not keep him waiting. But just if there's nobody waiting, I'm not in no rush. I only got to get home to have a wank, mate. That's it. There you go, come on. Just gonna let you listen. Sorry. Look at this. Get up to speed. What is that? Is he riding in a fucking wheelbarrow? Let me just... Get back on here. You cannot tell me he's not riding in a wheelbarrow. That's a fucking wheelbarrow. He's got a dog in the back. Let's listen. With this Audi, yeah? Oh, jeez. Let's go, let's go. Right, we're actually gonna head home now. Look at this. Slowly accelerating. Treating a course how it should be. If the next owner does this, I swear to God they will not have problems. Right then guys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff, and also subscribe if you are new and you did enjoy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for the support. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the last videos on the Corsa before it goes. If you're not, then sorry, you dickhead. But now we will be back with new videos on the new car very, very soon. So hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy it. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. What?